Crush ice like never before with the perfect blender. Whether you're making refreshing smoothies, frozen cocktails, or icy desserts, the right blender can turn tough ice cubes into a smooth, silky texture in seconds. Perfect for summer drinks, home parties, or anyone who loves cafe-style frozen treats at home. Subscribe to Gadget Nest for more genius kitchen gadgets and smart cooking tips. Links to all the amazing blenders are waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive into the best blenders for crushing ice that bring power, performance, and convenience straight to your kitchen.
Number 1. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System delivers impressive 1500 watts of blending power, making it a true workhorse for your kitchen. It comes with a large 72-ounce blender jar, an 8-cup food processor, and two 16-ounce to-go cups, giving you flexibility for every recipe. With total crushing technology, it handles ice, fruits, and vegetables effortlessly, creating silky smoothies, purees, and even kneading dough with no struggle. The system is designed for families and busy mornings, making meal prep fast and efficient. Its sleek black design fits perfectly into modern kitchens, and the detachable parts make cleaning simple. Whether you need frozen drinks for a party or healthy smoothies for the week, this blender is strong, versatile, and reliable. The to-go cups add convenience, letting you take drinks on the move without slowing down. For anyone seeking power and functionality in one set, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is an excellent choice. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender combines affordability with reliable performance. Powered by a 700-watt motor, it offers 12 blending functions, including puree, ice crushing, and smoothie making. Its 40-ounce glass jar is sturdy and spacious enough for family servings, while still compact enough to fit small kitchens. Its unique wave action design pulls ingredients down into the blades, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. It's dishwasher safe, so cleaning up after smoothies or frozen drinks is quick and easy. The controls are straightforward, making it simple to switch between functions without confusion. This blender is also quieter than many others in its class, so you can prepare drinks without disturbing the household. Its sleek black design looks stylish while remaining durable for daily use. If you want a dependable and budget-friendly option for smoothies, shakes, sauces, and soups, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite is a versatile and trustworthy kitchen partner.
Number 3. Ninja Professional Blender 1000W. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000W is built for power and performance. With total crushing technology, it quickly breaks down ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients into smooth, creamy blends. Its large 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family-sized smoothies, frozen drinks, or even meal prep recipes. This blender's straightforward controls make it user-friendly for anyone, from beginners to experienced cooks. Its durable black and gray design looks sleek and fits neatly on your kitchen counter. After blending, cleaning is hassle-free as the pitcher and blades detach easily. The strong 1000-watt motor works fast without leaving chunks, ensuring smoothies and frozen drinks are always consistent. Perfect for anyone who loves preparing healthy, fresh drinks at home, this model delivers professional performance without complexity. Whether you're crushing ice for frozen cocktails or whipping up a post-workout smoothie, the Ninja Professional Blender is a reliable daily tool for every kitchen. Number 4. OMO Blender 1800W. The OMO Blender 1800W is a high-speed countertop blender designed for serious blending power. Its durable stainless steel blades easily crush ice, nuts, and fruits, giving you smooth shakes and creamy smoothies every time. With a large 60-ounce BPA-free jar, it's ideal for preparing drinks and recipes for families or gatherings. The powerful 1800-watt motor makes blending fast and effortless, handling tough ingredients without slowing down. All parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup as quick as the blending process itself. Its compact black design fits nicely in any kitchen, while being quiet enough for early morning or late night use. Beginners will find it easy to operate with straightforward controls, while experienced users will appreciate its reliable performance. Perfect for smoothies, shakes, nut butters, and frozen desserts, this blender is versatile and durable. If you want professional-grade blending at home, the Omo Blender 1800W is a strong and dependable choice.
Number 5. Chefman Obliterator Blender. The Chefman Obliterator lives up to its name with a powerful 1380-watt motor that makes blending tough ingredients easy. Its stainless steel blade crushes ice, nuts, and frozen fruits into smooth, creamy textures without effort. The 48-ounce jar is ideal for family smoothies or frozen drinks, while the auto blend function saves time by adjusting speeds automatically for consistent results. It also comes with a tamper and scraper, helping you mix thick ingredients like nut butters or frozen blends without stopping. With its midnight color, this blender brings a sleek and modern look to any kitchen counter. Easy-to-use controls keep the process simple, while detachable parts make cleanup quick and hassle-free. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or frozen desserts, the Chefman Obliterator delivers powerful performance every time. It's strong, reliable, and designed to handle daily use, making it an excellent choice for anyone who loves homemade drinks and recipes. Number 6. Prasky Professional Blender. The Prasky Professional Blender combines blending and grinding power in one versatile appliance. With a maximum of 2,400 watts and speeds reaching 25,000 RPM, it crushes ice, blends fruits, and grinds tough ingredients in seconds. The package includes 2 BPA-free containers, with the large 68-ounce jar perfect for family servings, and the smaller one ideal for quick blends. This combo makes it convenient to prepare smoothies, juices, or even grind spices without needing separate tools. The design is compact enough to fit neatly on your counter while delivering professional-level performance. Easy-to-use controls make blending simple for everyone, and detachable parts ensure cleanup is fast and hassle-free. With strong stainless steel blades and durable construction, this blender handles daily kitchen tasks effortlessly. Whether you want smoothies, juices, or versatile grinding, the Prasky Professional Blender offers power, capacity, and convenience in one package.
Number 7. KitchenAid K150 Blender. The KitchenAid K150 blender is designed for everyday convenience with powerful ice-crushing performance. Featuring 3 speed settings, it blends smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks with ease. The set includes 2 personal blender jars, making it simple to prepare single-serve drinks for busy mornings or quick workouts. Its compact size and sleek white finish make it a stylish addition to any kitchen, fitting neatly on countertops without taking up much space. The controls are straightforward, letting anyone blend fruits, vegetables, and ice smoothly without extra effort. Cleanup is easy since the parts detach and wash quickly. Perfect for smaller households or anyone who wants fast, consistent results, this blender combines simplicity with strength. It delivers creamy smoothies and frozen drinks without chunks every time. Reliable, durable, and stylish, the KitchenAid K150 is an excellent option for anyone seeking a dependable personal blender for daily use. Number 8. Lampic Blender. The Lampic blender delivers professional-grade blending with its powerful 2000W motor. Designed for smoothies, ice, and frozen fruits, this high-speed countertop blender ensures smooth and consistent results every time. The extra-large 68-ounce pitcher is perfect for family servings, while the convenient 27-ounce to-go cup makes it easy to enjoy drinks on the move. Built with BPA-free materials, it keeps your beverages safe and healthy. Cleaning is stress-free since all parts are dishwasher safe. Its durable design and strong blades handle tough ingredients quickly, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Whether you are preparing protein shakes, frozen desserts, or daily smoothies, this blender performs reliably and efficiently. The compact gray design looks stylish and fits well in modern kitchens. For those seeking power, convenience, and safe materials in one package, the Lampic blender is a practical choice for busy households and healthy lifestyles.
Number 9. Vitamix Explorian. The Vitamix Explorian Professional Grade Blender brings trusted quality and performance to your kitchen. It comes with 3 easy-to-use presets: smoothie, frozen dessert, and hot soup, making it versatile for everyday meals. The 64-ounce pitcher is large enough to prepare family-sized servings with ease. Powered by a durable motor, it ensures smooth, consistent textures whether you're blending fruits, ice, or vegetables. Hot soups can be prepared right in the blender without extra steps, saving time. Its sleek black design fits beautifully into any kitchen while offering long-lasting durability. Easy controls make it user-friendly, even for beginners. Cleaning takes just minutes with warm water and soap. The renewed premium model offers excellent value without compromising on performance. Whether you need creamy smoothies, frozen treats, or comforting hot soups, the Vitamix Explorian is a powerful, reliable solution for healthy and delicious results every day. Number 10. Ninja Blender NJ601 AMZ. The Ninja Blender NJ601 AMZ offers excellent performance with its 10,000W motor, designed to crush ice, fruits, and vegetables quickly. This versatile blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, salsa, slushes, and frozen drinks. The large pitcher provides enough capacity for family or guests, making it ideal for everyday use or parties. Dishwasher-safe parts ensure easy cleanup after every blend, saving you time and effort. Its sleek black design is sleek and compact, fitting nicely on any kitchen counter without taking too much space. With sharp blades and strong power, this blender delivers consistently smooth results, whether you're blending soft fruits or hard ice cubes. It's simple to use with straightforward controls, making it accessible for all family members. Quiet yet powerful, it's designed for daily blending tasks. Reliable and durable, the Ninja NJ601 AMZ is a practical choice for anyone wanting quick, smooth, and hassle-free drinks at home.
Number 11. Topsy Personal Smoothie Blender. The Topsy Personal Smoothie Blender is built for convenience and speed. Featuring a 1,000-watt motor, it blends fruits and frozen ingredients smoothly in seconds. This set includes two 24-ounce portable travel cups, making it perfect for protein shakes, smoothies, and frozen drinks on the go. Its compact design saves space in your kitchen and is easy to carry in a bag, ideal for busy mornings or workouts. Cleaning is simple, requiring just a quick rinse after use. The strong motor ensures smooth, chunk-free results even with frozen fruits or ice. Designed for single-serve use, it helps you prepare fresh, healthy drinks in minutes without any hassle. Its sleek black look fits well in modern kitchens while remaining practical and lightweight. Whether you want a morning protein shake or an evening smoothie, the Topsy Blender is a reliable choice for personal use and quick, healthy lifestyles. Number 12. Amazon Basics Blender. The Amazon Basics Countertop Blender offers power, durability, and simplicity at an affordable price. With up to 700 watts of blending strength, it handles smoothies, soups, and frozen drinks easily. The 6-cup glass jar is stain-resistant and durable, perfect for preparing family-sized servings. Equipped with stainless steel blades, it crushes ice and fruits efficiently. 6 pre-programmed functions make it simple to prepare a variety of recipes, while the pulse and ice crush options give you better control over texture. Its sleek black and silver design looks sleek and fits nicely on any countertop. Cleaning is easy as the parts come apart quickly, saving you time after use. Quiet operation makes it pleasant to use at any time of the day. Built with reliability and everyday convenience in mind, this Amazon Basics blender is a solid option for families who want a dependable and budget-friendly blending solution.
Number 13. Bear Blender. The Bear Blender combines power and convenience in a compact design. Featuring a 700-watt motor, it efficiently crushes ice, frozen fruit, and vegetables to create smooth shakes and smoothies. Its 40-ounce cup is large enough for family servings or meal prepping. With 3 speed settings, you can control blending for purees, shakes, or frozen drinks easily. The autonomous clean function saves time by making cleaning quick and effortless. Despite its power, the blender runs quietly, making it great for daily use without disturbing others. Its compact design fits well on most countertops, keeping your kitchen organized. Built with reliability in mind, it delivers consistent results every time. Whether you want morning smoothies, refreshing shakes, or frozen fruit blends, this Bear Blender is designed to meet your needs while making kitchen tasks easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Number 14. Magic Bullet Blender.
The Magic Bullet Blender is a compact yet versatile kitchen tool designed for quick and easy blending. Its small footprint makes it perfect for small kitchens or personal use, while the 11-piece set provides plenty of options for blending, chopping, and mixing. The silver finish adds a sleek, modern touch to your countertop. Despite its size, it blends fruits, vegetables, and ice smoothly, creating fresh smoothies, sauces, dips, and snacks in minutes. Easy to use and clean, this blender is perfect for busy lifestyles. Its lightweight build makes it portable and convenient while still being strong enough to handle tough ingredients. Quiet operation means you can use it anytime without disturbance. Great for single servings or small households, the Magic Bullet Blender is an affordable, space-saving solution for those who want versatility and efficiency in their kitchen every day.
Number 15. The KOIO's Smoothie Blender. The KOIO Smoothie Blender offers strong performance and versatility with its 1000W watt motor. Designed for quick blending, it delivers smooth results for shakes, smoothies, and frozen drinks. The set includes two 22-ounce to-go cups, making it perfect for enjoying fresh drinks on the move. A 12-piece accessory pack adds versatility with a coffee grinder and countertop blender, making it more than just a smoothie maker. Built from non-BPA materials, it ensures your drinks are safe and healthy. Its compact design saves space while fitting well on any kitchen counter. Easy to clean and simple to use, this blender helps you prepare healthy drinks in minutes without hassle. Strong blades handle ice and fruits easily, ensuring consistent results every time. For anyone seeking a portable, powerful, and safe blender for daily use, the KOIO Smoothie Blender is a practical choice for both home and travel.
Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.